My name is Amrit Chand and I'm 8 years old. How are you? You must be fine. Okay. So now in this video I'm going to tell you the speech of International Yoga Day. Okay. So now I will first tell you which day it was first declared. It was declared by our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi while he was giving his speech on United Nations General Assembly. So he said that it is a good idea to celebrate International Yoga Day every year. Okay. So now, so the United Nations thought about it very hard along with other 117 states. Okay. At last, they said that they will celebrate uh, International Yoga Day every year, but on one condition, that they will have to celebrate International Yoga Day on June 21. They said because it was the longest day in the northern hemisphere and shortest day in the southern hemisphere. Okay, so our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi at last agreed to this, and then from then we are celebrating Yoga Day every year. Okay, and we are going to celebrate the 7th Yoga Day this year. Which year is it? 2021, or you can say 2021. Okay, so now I will tell you more. Okay, so the internet I mean the International Yoga Day. Now I will tell you the benefits of International Yoga Day. Yoga. Okay, so first is that it strongs our muscles because we do yoga, and also strongs our bones also. Okay, so and second, it if we do yoga, then we can also keep our anger inside and never take it outside, so we will never get angry. This is the benefit of yoga. And another benefit is that we will never get any stress. Okay, and we will get never any disease, never in our life, if we do at least 20 to 30 minutes every day yoga. If we do yoga 20 to 30 minutes every day. Okay, so in International Yoga Day we can do at least 1 hour or 2 hours yoga. Okay, because it is a special day for human beings. Okay, so now I will tell you another thing of yoga. What is yoga? I will tell you. Okay, in yoga, I will tell you one more benefit. I just forgotten. Okay, so we can do yoga without any equipment. But in many exercises we have to do with equipment, like रनर. हम लोग जो चलते हैं ना, हम लोग को दौड़ने का मन नहीं रहता. वी डोंट वांट टू रन. ओके, so we run in a machine that I forgot its name, but I will tell you. Okay, so now we can do many exercises with equipment, and also without equipment. We can also run on roads, or if our garden is big enough, so we can run also in our garden. Okay, but some houses have many small gardens, so we have to buy a machine which we have to run in one place. Okay, so now I will tell you what is yoga. In yoga, a man tries to bring his body, mind and soul together. Okay, and the the males who teach yoga are called yogins, and the women who teach yoga are called yogins. Okay, So this is the all speech of yoga day. Yoga, okay? Okay. The theme of International Yoga Day is 2021 day is, I will tell you what is it. Be with yoga, be at home with your family, okay? Because it is coronavirus, right? So we will be at home and be with yoga, okay? So this is the theme of International Yoga Day 2021, okay? So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment me. Bye. Keep smiling.